Welcome to Sales Trends. Sales Trends is a cloud-based application hosted on Amazon Web Server and is available on Android, iOS and web. Username is a registered mobile number and OTP is the password. Customer is the home tab of Sales Trends application. As you can see, these are the list of customers. You can see real-time analytics in front of each customer. You can see active customers on daily, weekly, monthly and yearly basis. You can see the data of customer as per region wise. These are the customers based in Gujarat location. Similarly, it can be segregated district wise, area wise, etc. Click on plus icon to create new customer. Add customer name. Select type. Select route name. Click on map to geotag customer location. Add contact and other details and click on done. A new customer has been created. On click of map icon, the salesman will be able to see the nearest 30 customers from his current location. Now we will take you through the 9 activities a salesman performs on field. Suppose I am a salesperson and I am visiting Khushi store. Then on left swipe, I will be able to see 3 icons: More, Log New and Hide. Click on Log New. These are the core 9 activities a salesman performs on field. You can either enable or disable any activity. Let's start with the first activity, that is visit activity. Click on visit, mark as visit. Now the visit activity has been performed. Next is order activity. Click on order. As you can see, these are the list of products. You can manually search a particular product by entering product name in search tab, or can filter the product as per the category. Select product, then select supplier. Now you will be able to see number of cases and units available with that supplier. You can add or remove number of cases or units. Then click on add to cart. Similarly, you can add multiple products together and then click on proceed to cart. On the checkout page, you will be able to see the products selected. You can add any discounts handling charges. Special discounts and terms and conditions will be predefined and click on continue. You can add delivery address, can change supplier, add any comments and click on submit. So order has been placed. Next is supplied activity. Here you can see the complete list of orders with its current status. Once you click on particular order's action button, you will be able to clone the order, start supply or cancel the order. Let's start with supply activity. Click on start supply. You can select products to be supplied. It can be part supplied or fully supplied depending on availability, and add invoice details. Add comments if any and click on order supplied. Hence, supply activity is performed. Next is stock take activity. Stock can be updated by salesperson for respective customer or supplier. Update the stock by selecting the product and quantity. Then click on confirm. Next is return activity. Products return can be updated by selecting the product and quantity. Then click on confirm. Next is collection activity. Amount collected against order can be marked. For example, amount of rupees 10,000 is received against which order. Then click on done and add mode of payment and payment remarks if any. Click on save. The collection activity is done. Feedback activities. Feedback against each salesman can be taken by a manager. Click on feedback form, select salesman, give ratings and add comments if any. Click on save. By clicking on Khushi Store, Activity tab is shown where the entire list of activities performed by a salesman is visible. All the activities which are marked in red are non-verified and in green are verified. Verified activities are the activities which are performed within 300 meters of radius of the customer. By clicking on New Activity Plus icon, click on Comment. This is a two-way communication feature where a salesman can instantly connect with higher authorities. Next is Info tab, where all the suppliers and salesmen assigned to this customer can be seen. Next is Access tab. Adding or removing salesmen on this customer can be done here. Next is Live Image tab. Click on Add icon to capture the live image. Next is Geolocation tab. This helps the salesperson to geotag his customer's location. Now we will move on to the second tab, that is Salesman tab. Real-time analytics of each salesman is visible here. Click on Add icon to add new salesman and add his details. Click on Map icon for live tracking of each salesman. Once you click on a particular salesperson, list of activities performed are visible. By clicking on Journey plan of that salesperson is visible. Click on Schedule. Here, salesperson or admin can schedule a route plan by clicking on Add icon. Select the date, click on Continue, then select the route and click on Done. Now we will move on to the More tab. Entire admin panel is on mobile. Admin can create price list masters, customer type masters and supplier type masters. Also, can view analytics like who is the top performers, top organizations, etc. Flash message can be sent by admin, which is a one-way communication message. Click on flash message, click on add icon. On the create a flash message page, select organization, select user type, click on send after typing the message. Flash message has been sent successfully. Users can mark their attendance by check in and check out. Selfie image and current location will be saved. GPS and internet connectivity is mandatory for check-in and check-out.